morning, students. We had already started the chapter our industries. We discussed what are industries, how industries function, what are the things required to set up an industry. Now we are going to discuss that we have set up the industry. Now what are the different types of industries? Now on the basis of size, we can take other criterias to find out the different types of industry. Here we will restrict ourselves only on the basis of size. So if you take the size, there are three types of industries. They are cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. Cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. Now what is cottage industry? Children, by word cottage you can understand home. So these industries are actually home industries. People set up this small factory. You cannot call it a big factory, a small factory in their homes, maybe adjoining their homes or in their homes, in their own homes itself. You must have seen that when you go with your parents, when they go to the market to grind the wheat to make it into flour, you must have seen that these shops are located maybe in those own people's home. They may have arranged a shed or a room to keep that machine where they grind the wheat to make it into a flour, okay, that atta. That machine is a small one, so it can be kept it anywhere in the room, and in this way a small shop or a factory has been set up, and that is also called cottage industry. Cottage industries are located or you can get cottage industry in the people's home, okay, either in their homes, inside their building, or maybe just adjoining space is there and they have made a shed and put some machines or tools to make it. Like a carpenter who makes many different types of furniture. For that he doesn't need a huge factory. Maybe it is for the bigger industries. But a carpenter, he needs some basic tools and he can make different types of furniture. So that is a thing he can do. So children, even the agarbatti, they make those agarbatti, that also they are cottage industry. So the first thing is that they are set up in their homes. Second is that maybe they are using the labels which are very in their family members only. People in their family only they work, or maybe locally those people coming and they are working in that cottage industry. Then even the raw materials are available locally. You don't have to get it from far off places by ship or train or by trucks, because cottage industry is a small factory where you don't have much investment. There is not much money involved in that. So they use things locally. So according on the basis of the size, industries are divided into three: cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. Small scale industry and large scale industry we will talk in the next module. Here we are going to discuss about cottage industry, which is set up at home. Few people work. I told you, as maybe the family members are only working, or the people coming from local areas use simple tools like I told you, the cart from the farmer's field. But this wheat you have to use it, use the raw material for making it into flour or bread or whatever it is. So for that you have to send it to the factory. Okay, like you get cotton or jute. These are different types of fibers you have studied. Now these fibers, they have to be sent to the factories for getting it, means to make any type of cloth or stitching or maybe a bag or whatever it is. Children, this I will show you a small cottage industry making toys. For making toys you just need cotton, cloth, some fibers and different decorative materials which are available locally. So you can see these women, they are working. There are few people and not much tools, small tools, basic things, basic materials are used. So this is a type of cottage industry. Okay. So I hope you understood what is cottage industry. Cottage industries are set up at homes or places just adjoining their homes. People have simple tools. Even the people working, the laborers working are few. Maybe they are from their homes or local people. They use raw materials which are available nearby or locally, and they make simple things. So this is all about cottage industry. Thank you, children.